2 years ago, I was in the darkest place of my whole entire life. I thought this YouTube journey and motorcycle riding and everything else I had done previous in life was over with. This video is not for likes or exposure here on YouTube. This is really something I sort of want to talk about because it was, like I said, the darkest point in my life, and things have definitely got better. I ain't gonna say they're perfect, but 2 years ago, if you've been around the channel for a long time, you probably already know this, but if you're new here or recently subscribed, you probably don't. But 2 years ago, I had a horrible crash. I went off a 150-foot ravine on my Suzuki V-Strom, broke my back severely. Nobody could see me from the road, so I had to crawl back up that 150-foot hill to get to the top to get somebody to stop, and had to get an ambulance ride, life flighted, all that good crazy stuff. My back was pretty severely broken. I'll throw some pictures up on the screen of what it looked like at the time of the accident, what it looks like with the surgery, after the surgery. And my surgeon did an amazing job, and as you can see, if you've been following for a little while, I can ride again, I can camp. I'm still working, I'm working again, even though I lost a job that I had before the crash. But I'm very blessed to have the job I have now. Got some good bit of freedom. Timmy don't kill me too bad, and the company don't kill me, so pretty blessed in that aspect. And it was just a dark point where I just wanted to not live because I didn't know what the next day was gonna hold. But I'm very grateful and very blessed to be able to walk, work, and not be dead or paralyzed, because it could have been a whole lot worse. And this YouTube thing would have been over, which that was the least of my worries at the time, and riding motorcycles. I told myself I wasn't gonna ride anymore, but it's in my blood. I've been doing it for 35 plus years now. And I like doing this YouTube thing, I like bringing y'all content, and just glad I'm still here to be able to do it, to be honest with you. And the Lord has blessed me a lot. Going to be a grandpa in 2026, so I'm glad I'm going to be able to be here and walking, to be able to see my grandchild and play with my grandchild. I'm still able to be here with for my kids, my wife, still do stuff around the house. Oh man, I'm so thankful. And I'm thankful for all y'all, the great comments y'all been dropping for the life of this channel. It's been 4 years now that we've been doing this YouTube thing, and I'm very thankful for it, and can't thank y'all enough. And welcome all you new people here. I'm glad y'all here, new and old. Y'all mean so much to me. And we're just gonna keep on doing this YouTube thing, keep on doing adventure motorcycles the way we know how to do adventure motorcycle riding and camping, and just keep on hammering the shit out of life. So the main thing of this video is never give up, because I almost did, and giving up on yourself will lead you down a dark path. And there's a lot more to life, and as long as you seek it out, you can capture it. And that's all there are to it. Just keep hammering the shit out of life, if anything else. Don't give up on yourself. Anxiety, depression, whatever you got going on, things will eventually get better. And if they don't, there's always a plan for you. So hang in there, don't do nothing stupid. So if you watch this video to the end, I appreciate it. Like I said, it's not for the likes, not for the views. It's mainly just to let y'all know I'm still here, still kicking, and I'm letting God know that I'm very thankful. Thank you to my wife, sponsor Rick Stewart, SC Motor Lawyer, for sponsoring this channel. Lone Rider for being on board now. Cardo Systems, Motos Tires, Insta360 for a little while of 2025. But I got some great cameras out of the deal, and I'm just blessed to be where I am. So I appreciate every one of y'all, and I appreciate y'all watching. And if you are new here and you hadn't already, hammer the shit out of that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be alerted when new content comes out. We'll see y'all in the next one. Let's go.